Hey guys, welcome back to my IGTV. I am going to do a video of me installing my first closure. I've never done a closure wig before. This is the wig. I made it and I dyed it, well, bleached it really. This is what the wig looked like before. This is the natural state, so the natural color that it came in. I plucked it a little bit, so I was just checking to see what it looked like. And here I'm putting on some foam so that I can pluck it. I was trying to use the natural color and not dye it, because I always dye my wigs because I just think that the natural color that hair comes in does not suit me. And yeah, I was trying to pluck it and make it look natural with this color, but I changed my mind after. I was like, nah, I was just itching to bleach it and color it or tone it or something, because I don't know, I find bleached colors or like light colors, even the purple I did for Carnival, it just looks so, well, purple gray looks so much better on me than this dark color. These are the items that I used to bleach the hair, just normal blue bleach, 14 volume developer, and yeah, I started to bleach the hair in the bathroom, and then I realized that wasn't a good idea, so then I moved to the floor with a garbage bag and I just placed the whole hair because I know I was going to bleach the whole head anyway, so I was there was no method to my madness basically. I had seen these Weller toners on YouTube for a very long time. I've always wanted to try them. I know they're supposedly really good. So I decided to use the T18 and the T35. These things were so pungent. Like literally I got a small whiff of it and I swear I burned off my cilia. Like it was so strong. So be careful when you use this. This is what the hair looked like wet. After bleaching the hair twice, I was just preparing to put the toner on. This is the toner and I'm just gonna brush it on. Please excuse that I don't have any gloves. I didn't have any gloves at home and I forgot to buy. Please use gloves whenever you're working with bleach and with toner too, because the fact that it smells so strong, I'm pretty sure I shouldn't have had it on my fingers at all. So do as I say and not as I do. This was the finished result. Yeah, this is a wig. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like when I put it on. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on a wig cap, and then I'll come back. I have videos of me doing with a bald cap method already, so I'm not going to bore you with all of that. But yeah, I'm going to put on the wig cap, and then I'm gonna try to install this closure. So this is how this is looking. Because it's a closure wig, the size of the ball cap doesn't need to be perfect, and I know like you could see the front, but when I put the glue, like the rolled up bits will be gone. I'm just gonna put some makeup on and then I'm gonna get to the gluing part. So I put foundation on my ball cap just to make it blend a little bit more. As I said, the rolled up pieces will get fixed with the glue. I am using Ghost Bond. Yes, I'm using Ghost Bond. And I'm just going to put that a light layer, a very small layer right here. Okay, I might have to do this in the mirror. So sorry. I tried to put a light layer, but my hand, I just have a heavy hand, so I end up putting too much. So I'm gonna just work with this right now, and then I'll take a stick, blend it out, rub it out, and I'll do it in this way so the rolled up bits of the ball cap would get to be laid. Okay, I need to look in the mirror. So you want this, you see that it's kind of white now, you want it to be clear, and then I'm going to do a next layer. As you can see, it's pretty much getting clear. So I kind of put the wig on my head a little bit, and I realized that I need a little bit more glue here, so I'm gonna stick the middle because I don't want it to dry too much, and then I'll stick the ends. So I'm just gonna take this and pull it over, but I need to look in the mirror while I do this, so you might not actually see me doing it, but literally I'm just gonna hold it by the lace and pull it over my head and place the where the hair starts on the wig where the glue is. Okay, this is what we're looking like right now. Okay, so now we're going to, so as you can see, it's a closure, so like you can see like the side, but yeah, this is gonna hide that. So you're gonna cut the lace off, and you want to cut the lace, well, I cut the lace in a zigzag. I think I learned that from Aaliyah J. It's because it looks more natural that way when you cut it like that. So you just wanna take your scissors and cut. I need to do this in a mirror. Okay, I need to do this in a mirror. I don't know how I feel about this hair. Sometimes I have to see it against no clothes to know how I really feel about it. Let's see. I don't know, I feel like I probably let's put on some makeup and just like, I don't know what you guys think, I don't know. And it has like this strip of black hair in the front that just would not bleach, and I wanted to leave it to see if I would like it, because you know, like people do the highlights in front of dark hair. I kind of want to see if I can do the opposite. I don't know, what do you guys think? I don't know. This is the first time using a closure. I usually use frontals. So I don't know how I feel. I don't know. I think I need to do my face. I need to fix my face. And then I'm gonna get back to y'all. So this is what I look like now with some makeup on. I put concealer and foundation in the middle part to make it pop a little more. I feel like it's not, I don't know, it's very noticeable. So I'm gonna have to work on that. I don't know, what do you guys think? This hair is very blonde. Like, I usually think that I could pull off anything. I don't know, like I just feel like my skin complexion could pull off most colors. So I thought I could try this, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if it suits me, if it's the right undertone and all that cha-la-la-la. I just tried the thing. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'll see you in my next IGTV video. Bye. Fun fact, if you guys saw my Barbie video for this wig, I used to think the lyrics was, when I was younger, I used to think the lyrics was, let's go Barbie, into the Barbie. Like, really? And why would I think it was that? I have no idea. But yeah.